How are you doing? Back again with this time a very quick one about canvases. So here we've got a canvas here. Okay, let me just turn it around. Okay, and a lot of the time, well, almost all of the time on a good quality canvas, you will get a packet like that stapled to the inside. And I want to show you how to use these because I do get asked this question quite a lot in class about what do I do with these little wooden wedges. Okay, so let me see. I'll just show you in here if I can. All right, you can see these little slots in here. There's two of them. One, two. There's one on this stretcher bar, another one on this stretcher bar, and so on and so forth around the canvas, okay? And basically these stretcher bars, they slot in to each other, you know, kind of like that. And the wedges are to force the stretcher bars apart to tighten the canvas. Okay, so I'll just show you how I put them in, okay, because there's a right way and a kind of another way that kind of works, but it's not correct. So let me just change cameras. There we go. Right, okay, so as I say, we've got this bunch of wedges here. Let me just get them out. I'll put them out on here. Okay, there should be 8 of them. Make sure there are 8. I've got hundreds of these things actually sort of put away. So, all right, put these to one side. And so inside here, you can see it if you look down, and I won't be able to show you on camera, but there's a kind of a 45-degree angle here, and you want to make sure that this corresponds with that 45-degree angle. So not that way, be that way, okay? So we're operating on this stretcher now. So we're going to put that one in, just put it in by hand there, one, and so on around the canvas. So this one goes in that way, and that way they're nice and neatly up against the opposing stretcher there. Okay, let's turn it around. So this one here is like that, and this one here is like that. But I push them in sort of finger tightness first. And here we go like that one on there, and then that one, sorry, on here. So you can see they're nice and neat in, and this one, let's grab these ones here. This one will be like that, and this one will be like that. Okay. And then I just get a hammer and I just tap them in lightly, so just so that they don't fall out really at this stage. Okay, so it's just so that they bite in. Here we go, another one. I mean, this is a huge hammer here. I have a small hammer and I can't find it. All right. So you wonder how I find anything in the condition my studio's in. So they're all in there now. So over time, the canvas can start to sort of relax and become a little bit sort of wibbly wobbly, flaccid kind of thing. So these wedges are to stretch the canvas back out again. So if you see a canvas and it started to become soft, where you can just tap in those wedges a little bit more. Don't overdo it, because you don't want to bust through the canvas either. Okay, so that's it. That's how to put the wedges in your canvas. All right, so I'll see you soon. Hope that helps. Bye. How are you doing? Before we get back to the brushes, a quick reminder, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and drop a comment. I love hearing what you're working on. It keeps the community growing and helps others find these video lessons too. If you'd like some extra resources, check out the links just below. I've got ebooks that take you step by step through oil painting, merchandise like t-shirts and aprons, perfect for keeping the paint where it belongs, and prints of my own work. And you'll even find original oil paintings if you'd like a unique piece for your wall. Every bit of support makes it possible for me to share these tutorials for free, and I can't thank you enough.